Take your training to the next level with my new book, Pilates for Athletes from Penguin Random House. Link to order is below.
All right, my friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is all about seamless movement patterns, building your athletic arsenal using only your body weight. What a beautiful thing that is, beautiful thing. 10 minutes of Pilates and core ab exercises, little power yoga influence thrown in, always to keep challenging, always challenging. Where's my cap? There it is. Okay, sunglasses over there. We're gonna breathe in the nose, out the mouth, proficient, powerful breathing. I'm getting so excited just talking about it. Are you checked in below? Check in below and let me know what your favorite color socks to wear are. What a strange and unusual sentence that was. Favorite color socks. I used to wear black socks. I used to wear white. Now they look kind of nerdy with them. Black, like cool, you know, like Hamlet. All right, my friends, let's begin with forearm plank. I'm gonna tuck in my shirt. And seamless, powerful moves. Forearms down. Let's start here. There's a gnat in my ear. Press the heels back. Let's breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Center your breath in the center, of course, and breathe outward. You want to expand your rib cage. You're working those breathing muscles, which is your diaphragm, your intercostals in between your ribs, and of course your abdominal muscles. Let's add some leg lifts. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep your body parallel, keep it flat. Engaging, get the bugs away from me, will you? Engaging and stabilizing. Train like an athlete. You want to get better every day, stronger every day, more flexible, better movement, better flow. Nuance these movements. 10 more lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, onto your backs. Single straight leg stretch. Right leg up, left leg out. Let's start here. Fingers to the back of the head. Slowly, what the heck? It's bug day today in Colorado. Fantastic. Get my bug paraphernalia. We'll start here. Let's add 2 pulses now. So we pulse, pulse. Exhale, exhale. Stabilize right here. Oh, you're over there. 4 more, then we'll add the hands. 2, 3, 4. Creeps up on you, doesn't it? Pulse, pulse, switch. Let's do 10 more starting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It must be summer. There's gnats in my ear. Heel beats, feet flat or slightly off the mat. Crunch, 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 crunch. Let's do 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lots of breath. 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slow it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, up and over, plank position. Get that out of there. Here's a little curveball coming in at you. Addie's underneath the tree over there. This is called Pigeon planks. So we come here. You could just hold the plank if you want to leave the pigeons out. Bring the leg forward, lift, extend, lift, back. Other side. So leg is open. You can just hold too if you like. We're pressing down, lift up, getting a lot of pliability in the core, in the center. You want core work, you want to make it pliable, make it strong, make it adaptable. So whatever position you find yourself in, you do it with strength. 2 more each side. Or just hold the plank. Remember that. There'll be a test later. 1 more time each side. There's your plank. Forward. Lift. So glad the sun just came out. Back. Lift. Forward. Up. Now ripple. We're gonna press back, downward facing dog. You can hold the down dog or ripple. We're gonna do 6 of them. Inhale, round forward. Drop down. We have ourselves a little advanced up dog. Press back. Inhale, round. Stretch that spine. And then back. Sink the heels towards the floor. 3. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Fluid movements. Learn to move that spine in the most beautiful way possible. Last one. Ripple, ripple, ripple. Open. Haha. And back. All right, my friends. Bring the knees down. We're going to do a little reverse single straight leg stretch. Down onto your back. Flow these exercises together. My shirt's getting smaller. Must be eating more. Okay. Take the legs. A little bit of an angle here. Fingers here to start. We pull in, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Try to line them up. Line up the legs. Point the feet. Zip up the legs in Pilates, in yoga, in power yoga, or in any class that I teach. We always want to maximize everything working together as one to build that strong, balanced body. Now add the hands 10 times. We're going to exhale, pull, inhale back. 1. Big stretch. Big stretch. 2. Big, yeah. 4. Time life. 5. Snap it back. 6. 7. And 8. 9. And 10. That's some beautiful stuff right there. Oh my goodness. Tabletop position. Engage the abs right here. This is tabletop. Lower back's down. The breath in the nose. As you exhale, flush the breath out. Lift. For more, go to hollow back. Extend the legs out. Pilates stance. Zip up the legs. 5 breaths. Breathe out. Out. Did I say out? Yes, I did. Bugs. All right, was everyone doing that with me? Okay. The arm scratch. Let's take those legs side to side. Oh man, the gnats. Still, don't want to be inside, want to be out here. One more time each side. Twist and twist. Okay, my friends. Side plank, forearm down, stack the legs, lift up. Big finisher here. 5 breaths. You can take this arm up too if you like. Feels good, doesn't it? The blood flowing, the breath moving, every molecule exploding into the flow. What are your favorite color socks? That's really what we're thinking about, isn't it? All right, mountain climbers, 20 times. Come to plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, forearm plank, other side. 5 breaths. I am so close to swearing at these bugs, but I don't want to go down to their level. Let's rise above, my friend. I'll just do a Yosemite Sam. Yeah. All right. Cross the body mountain climbers 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20. Retuck the shirt real quick. Forearm plank. 20 leg lifts or hold. 1, 2. Coming back to the beginning. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 16, 18, 19, 20. 5 breaths for the plank. A little rocking forward and back to wake up the shoulders. Beautiful. Repeat as much as possible, my friends. Oh, I forgot where I was. I was having so much fun. Coach Vigue, comment below. Where am I going? Comment below. What's your favorite color of sock to wear. This is a doozy. This is really a pressing question. Let me know below, questions, concerns, how the workout treated you. And I'd like to thank the supporting cast of Bugs and Gnats and Addie over there underneath the tree. Over and out.
And the difference would be, your woman is English.
Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.